Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set a navigate back, a keyboard shortcut or keybind for your Discord user. So I'm going to go into my user settings down here and then go to keybinds. So now I'm going to click add a keybind here, and then currently action is unassigned. So let's go ahead and scroll. Let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit to navigate back. And now let's go ahead and think about what we want this keybind to be. So I'm going to have it be Command B for back, just so that it makes sense for me. So let's go ahead and hit record keybind and then hit the Command B on my keyboard. So I'm going to do Command B. And there we go. It has been set. What we can do is if you click the red X, then it'll get rid of this keybind. And if you click the green toggle, it'll toggle it off or disable it. And then if you toggle it back on, it will enable it. But that is how you go ahead and set that keybind. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the description down below.